Children, today we will do mode in chapter 14. We have done mean earlier. Mode, all of you have done mode in class 9th also. That was of ungrouped data. When so many observations are given, the mode is a number which repeats maximum times, that is, which has maximum frequency. So that is the mode. But now in class 10th, we will do mode of grouped data. Grouped data means class intervals and frequencies are given. The formula for mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. First, all of you will learn this formula, then meaning of each symbol, that is L, lower limit of model class, F1, frequency of model class, F0, frequency of preceding model class. Preceding model class means the frequency before the model class. F2, frequency of succeeding model class. Succeeding model class means the class which comes after model class, frequency of that column. H is the class size, that is upper limit minus lower limit, and assuming all class sizes should be equal. Now, when we solve the mode, first of all, model class we find out. How to find out model class? The class interval which has maximum frequency is called model class. So first of all, we see the frequencies which is the highest frequency and in which class it comes, that will be the model class. Now we will solve further.